to Turkey now, where rescuers are continuing to search for survivors of Friday's powerful earthquake in the resort city of Izmir. At least 90 people are known to have died, but there are extraordinary stories of survival, including that of a 3-year-old girl pulled from the rubble on Monday. From Izmir, here's our international correspondent, Ayla Gezgin.
Almost hidden from view, caked in dust, 3-year-old Elif Perinçek. She lets out a little cry. "I swear she's alive," someone shouts. Joy and relief for rescuers who say they never gave up hope of finding Elif. And buried beneath the rubble for nearly 3 days, she never gave up either.
Orada onu canlı bir şekilde görmek aslında hepimizi hem çok mutlu etti hem şok olduk. Hepimiz duygusallaştık çünkü 3 yaşında bir kız çocuğundan bahsediyoruz. O an bizim için çok özeldi aslında.
Did it feel like a miracle?
Kesinlikle. 65. saatte bir mucizeydi bu. İkinci doğumdu.
A rebirth under all this, the wreckage of an 8-story apartment block. Elif's mother, her twin sisters and her brother were pulled out on Saturday, but he died later. Well, the rescue here has brought hope to other families who are still waiting for news of their loved ones. There are searches continuing at 8 sites in Izmir, and more than 100 people have been brought out alive. Elif is now alert in hospital with no serious injuries, officials say. She has captured hearts in Turkey, a symbol of hope in the darkest times. Ayla Gezgin, BBC News, Izmir.